There is a number in your bank account that changes the way you walk, negotiate, and sleep. It does not make you rich. It does not mean you can quit your job, move to a beach, and never answer another email again. But it changes something almost as important. It changes how your brain responds to life. That number is $10,000. The first $10,000 saved is not just a pile of money. It is a psychological switch. Before you have it, every problem feels bigger than it should. After you have it, the same problems are still annoying, but they stop feeling like the end of the world. They think savings are only about math, but savings are also about posture. They change how you sit in a job interview. They change how you talk to your boss. They change how you handle a repair bill. When you have no savings, life feels like it is standing too close to you. A flat tire is not just a flat tire. It is a crisis. A broken laptop is not just a broken laptop. It is a disaster. A bad week at work is not just a bad week. It feels like a trap. You cannot leave. Not because you are weak, because you have no margin. Your brain knows one small mistake can become a chain reaction. One bill becomes a credit card balance. One credit card balance becomes a minimum payment. So your brain becomes cautious, stressed, and reactive. It says yes too fast. It accepts bad offers. It avoids risk, even smart risk, because there is no room to be wrong. But when you have $10,000 saved, the same life looks different. The flat tire is still annoying, but it is not catastrophic. The broken laptop is still frustrating, but it is not financially fatal. The bad week at work still matters, but it does not own you. That is the confidence switch. The money sits quietly in the account, but the power shows up in your behavior. You negotiate differently when you are not desperate. You interview differently when you do not need the first offer. You make decisions differently when fear is not driving the car. It buys breathing room, not luxury, not status. Breathing room. When you can breathe, you can think. When you can think, you can choose. This does not mean $10,000 solves everything, but it changes the floor under your feet. Before $10,000, money feels like something that disappears. After $10,000, money starts to feel like a tool. You can use it to say no. You can use it to wait. Fear is expensive. That is why building the first $10,000 is about getting your nervous system back. Reacting is when the bill arrives and your whole body tightens. Responding is when the bill arrives, you are annoyed, you pay it, and your life continues. That calm is what money is supposed to buy. First, so if you are chasing your first $10,000, do not think of it as a boring savings goal. Think of it as buying back your ability to think clearly. The first $500 matters. The first $1,000 matters. But keep going, because the magic is not in the number itself. The magic is in the shift that happens when your brain finally believes you have room. That is when money stops feeling only like survival. That is when it starts feeling like stability. And stability is where better decisions begin. Better decisions are where wealth begins.